On July 14, 2023, and a year ago on this day, India scripted history with ISRO launching Chandrayaan-3 successfully. India left its footprints on the moon for the first time ever by touching down on the moon's south pole surface as the proud nation watched the countdown with bated breath. DD India senior consulting editor Sakal Bhatt gets us this report.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
14 July 2023, this date marks India's successful soft landing near the moon's south pole, moment of national pride, establishing the country as the first one to achieve this remarkable feat, the feat of landing a spacecraft in such proximity to the lunar south pole. Chandrayaan-3 is India's third lunar mission and second attempt at achieving soft landing on the moon's surface. On July 14, 2023 at 2:35 p.m., Chandrayaan-3 took off from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The spacecraft seamlessly entered lunar orbit on August 5, 2023. The historic moment unfolded when the lander made a successful touchdown near the lunar south pole on August 23, 2023, demonstrating safe and soft landing on lunar surface, also demonstrating rover roving on moon and to conduct in situ scientific experiments. Chandrayaan-3 is a three-component mission consisting of propulsion module, lander module and rover module. Propulsion module carried the lander and rover configuration till 100-kilometer lunar orbit. Lander module or Vikram is carrying scientific payload that includes a suite of instruments to study the lunar surface and atmosphere. The rover module or Pragyan is carrying a suite of instruments to study the lunar surface and subsurface, which includes alpha particle X-ray spectrometers and laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy or LIBS for deriving the elemental composition in the vicinity of the landing site. Successful launch of Chandrayaan-3 resulted in major findings of the mission. Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment measured temperatures reaching 70 degrees Celsius. This surprised scientists who expected temperatures between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Lunar surface elements confirmed. The laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy instrument on board Pragyan rover confirmed the presence of sulfur on the lunar surface near the South Pole. Elements such as aluminium, calcium, iron, chromium, titanium, manganese, silicon and oxygen were also detected. So why is Chandrayaan-3 significant for the Indian space program? Multiple reasons to the credit. It makes India part of the elite group of nations, Russia, the United States and China, with demonstrated lunar soft landing capability. India's indigenous cryogenic engines and efforts to declutter the orbit showcases its leadership in space technology, including positioning India as a global hub in the new space economy. The investigation of lunar properties has also been an important dimension of the findings of Chandrayaan-3 mission. Propulsion module studies Earth's atmosphere, lander module investigates lunar surface properties, and rover module analyzes lunar rocks and soil. Soft landing capability contributes valuable insights to India's missile defense program. The reusable launch vehicle technology derived from the mission aids in cost reduction for future launches. Autonomous rovers developed from rover module find applications in disaster management and infrastructure monitoring. Finally, in space tourism and economic activities as well, there has been increasing interest in space tourism. India's groundbreaking mission Chandrayaan-3 uncovered moon's long-guarded secret while setting the tone for India's mega space movement, where sky and beyond is the limit.
23 अगस्त को जब भारत ने चंद्रमा पर तिरंगा फहराया, उस दिन को अब हिंदुस्तान नेशनल स्पेस डे के रूप में मनाया जाएगा.
Sakal Bhatt's report for DD India.
Robocon 2024 will conclude in New Delhi's Thiagraj